Most people panic when a payment fails in a cash advance app, but here's the truth, no one tells you. In most cases, it is not a permanent issue. It is usually a simple banking, verification, or timing problem that can be fixed in minutes if you know what to check. In this video, we are breaking down exactly why possible finance payments fail in 2026, and how you can fix it step by step without guessing. Let's start with the basics. Possible finance processes payments through your linked bank account, so any interruption between your bank and the app can trigger a failure. That means the issue is often outside the app itself. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most users assume the app declined the payment. But in reality, the bank connection is often the real problem. Let's go through the most common causes. First, insufficient funds. This sounds obvious, but here's what people miss. Some banks show pending transactions that reduce your available balance even if you do not see them clearly in the app. So someone like Alex might think he has enough money, but the system sees a different available balance. Second, outdated bank connection. If your login credentials changed, or your bank security system updated, the connection inside the app can silently break. That leads to payment failures even when everything looks normal. But here's the problem most users run into. They retry the payment again and again, without fixing the root cause. That can sometimes trigger additional flags or delays in processing. Now let's talk about real fixes. Start by checking your available balance directly in your bank app, not just the spending summary. Make sure nothing is pending, or on hold. Next, reconnect your bank account inside Possible Finance. Remove it completely, and add it again, instead of just refreshing it. This clears most syncing errors immediately. Now here's something important. If Jake recently changed his debit card or switched banks, even small updates can break authorization links. In that case, full re-verification is required before payments go through again. Another fix is checking for app or system delays. Sometimes payments fail simply because the transaction is stuck in processing. Waiting a few minutes and trying again can resolve it without any changes. Also make sure your app is updated. Older versions may not sync properly with newer banking security systems, especially in 2026, where fraud protection is stricter than before. Now, let's bring it all together. Payment failures usually come down to three things: your bank connection, your available balance, or temporary processing delays. Once you identify which one it is, the fix becomes simple. To summarize, if your possible finance payment failed in 2026, do not panic. Check your balance carefully, reconnect your bank, update the app, and retry after a short wait if needed. Most issues are temporary, not permanent. If this helped you fix your problem or understand it better, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear financial app fixes like this.